you and so hacking long. The reason why is because my grandma sent me to boarding school because my mom was starting to get back into her little alcoholism, so she was like drinking a lot of beer, so I had to go to boarding school. But the good news is that they caught me while I was in the middle of doing a sassy photo shoot, so they expelled me. Oh, and in case you didn't notice, I got my old Fred shirt color back. Yay! I'm really happy about that because I just really wasn't feeling the red one. Today was my first day back at regular school, so I finally got to see Judy again, and she was so smoking as usual. This is kind of weird, but it's a really big coincidence because Judy just texted me. Hey Fred, welcome back. Your little neighborhood squirrel friends are trapped in a dangerous place. You better go rescue them or they're gonna die. What? You better not have. They better not have. They better not have taken my neighborhood squirrels and put them in a dangerous place or else they're gonna pay. If they did dangerous stuff to my neighborhood squirrels, I'll do dangerous stuff to them. Okay, like I'm pretty confident that they didn't do anything to little squirrel things, but I'm just gonna check around the neighborhood to make sure because I would never want any harm to be done to those little squirrel things. Okay, I'm just gonna check around. Oh my gosh, did you hear that barking? Oh my god, you hear that barking? The squirrels are trapped! Little squirrel things, where may you be? Okay, well Kevin probably helped her hide these, so let's just think, if you were extremely morbidly obese, where would you hide two squirrel things? Oh my god, they could be dead by now. What if he hit him inside a meat grinder? Okay, well I've never been fat, so I really don't know how a fat person's brain works because we don't have the same brains as them, so I really just don't know where they'd hide it. Okay, well maybe it's under the deck because that's a pretty dangerous spot, so I'm just gonna go check. Okay, I'm gonna go check. Oh my gosh, the squirrels aren't under there, but a weird-looking creature's having babies under there. Ew! Oh my gosh, that's so creepy. It was like a weird-looking squid thing. It was like a giant squid. Okay, well, I'm like really confused right now because I didn't even hide the little squirrel things on top of the satellite dish. I mean, if I was a fat person, that's probably the first place I'd hide them. Oh my gosh, ew, look what I just found inside the tree. It's so sick! Oh my gosh, that's so sick. I bet you that's where the giant squid formed. Okay, well, you might think I'm kind of weird, but at boarding school, I learned how to talk to animals, so I'm gonna ask her where the neighborhood squirrels are. Yika Kakashama. No, don't run away. Oh my god, she ran away. I scared her because she didn't know that humans could talk. Okay, well, I just think that she was really surprised because she didn't know that humans could communicate with her. So when I communicated with her, she like freaked out and ran away like a pack of animals. I love the squirrel things with all my heart. Oh my gosh, did you hear that barking sound? I think they're nearby. Let's go find them. Okay, well, I hear the barking somewhere, so I know they're nearby. Oh my gosh, I think the cat's trying to tell me they're over there. Let's go check. Okay, I can smell them. Oh, the little squirrel things are stuck inside a deep hole. Oh my gosh, look at them. They're so terrified. Oh, just wait one moment, squirrel things. Daddy will come save you. Oh, little squirrel things. You were so terrified down there, weren't you? Oh, run free, little darlings. Run free. Oh crap, now how do I get out of here? Oh my gosh, crap, I've been trying to get out of here, but there's no way I can get out. Oh, whatever, at least I saved the neighborhood squirrels. I guess I'll just have to wait until my mom gets home from the local bar and she'll rescue me. Just like I rescued the squirrels. Okay, well I guess I'll talk to you guys later, even though I'm stuck inside this hole with a bunch of dead mice laying around, but whatever, okay, bye. Peace out, home dog. As long as the neighborhood squirrels got out of the hole safely, that's all that matters.